Welcome back to the 30-Day Success Reboot Challenge, where I'm going to show you exactly how to start making a reliable online income by using email affiliate marketing. We're currently on day 3, and if you've not watched the videos for day 1 and day 2 yet, please make sure that you do that. They go over why you need to focus on building a responsive email list to be successful, the elements you need in order to do that, and the different types of website traffic you can use to build your list. In today's video, we're going to talk about offers and why having a truly compelling offer is essential to success as a marketer. What is an offer anyway? An offer is when you're asking for another person to take a particular action. If I offer you a free report in exchange for you subscribing to my email list, then that's a lead capture offer. If I offer you a list of bonuses to purchase a product with my affiliate link, then that is a sales offer. All of these things are offers. If I tell you that you will learn important skills if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, then I'm making an offer. All of these are examples of offers, and they share two important parts of any offer. The first part of an offer is the promise. Every offer makes a promise to the prospect. If they take action on this offer, they are going to receive a benefit. Subscribe to my email list and you'll get a special report of information that you want to have. Purchase my product and it will help you solve some problem you have or help you to accomplish a goal. If you make a bigger promise, then the offer becomes more attractive. Of course, you don't want to promise more than you can deliver, or you'll disappoint the customer and end up paying out refunds. The second part of the offer is the action. What does the prospect need to do to get the benefit of the promise? What action do they need to take? What do they need to give you in exchange for what you promise? What is the cost to them? The more they need to give, or the more difficult the action is to complete, the bigger the benefit needs to be. If you just want them to put in their email address, then the promise can be smaller than if you're asking them to pay you $1,000. It all makes sense. The promise and the action have to be properly balanced for the offer to be compelling. If you're not getting the signups or sales that you want from an offer you're making, then it might be that the prospect doesn't feel like the promise is big enough for what you are asking for in return. This sounds simple, but getting the promise and the action wrong is one of the most common mistakes made by marketers. A moment ago, I told you that your offer needs to be compelling. Let's talk about the word compelling because it is very important. A compelling offer is not the same as a convincing offer. If you're compelled to do something, then it implies that you didn't really have a choice. It was a mafia offer, as we call it. The offer you simply could not refuse. Most offers that are made by marketers are simply not very compelling. Marketers instead try to convince us that we should buy their product or take some action. Convincing people to do something's hard because they don't want to do it. If you have to be convinced, then that means your initial answer was no, and someone's trying to get you to talk you into saying yes instead. I don't want to convince people to do things. I want to make an offer so good that no convincing is needed. They are compelled to take action. For example, we all know that we should exercise regularly. However, most people don't want to do it. You see a public service announcement on TV trying to convince you that going for a walk will make you feel better. You look out the window and it's raining. The idea of going for a walk in the rain isn't very compelling. The benefit you'll get in return seems far off and not that motivating. That is not a compelling offer. The next day, you go in to see your doctor, and he tells you that if you don't lose some weight and start exercising, you're going to be dead by next Tuesday. That is a compelling offer. If you're going to be dead next Tuesday without taking action, then you'll walk in the rain, stop eating donuts, and do whatever it takes to ensure that doesn't happen. That is a compelling offer that you can't refuse. Now, we don't generally have the ability to threaten people's lives in order to get them to take action, but we can do things to make sure that we have an offer that is as compelling as possible to our ideal prospect. A compelling offer starts by understanding who your ideal prospect is and what they want. What I find compelling may not be the same as what you find compelling. For example, think about the offer to join this challenge. I promised that I would teach you everything you need to know to build an email list and start a profitable business as an email affiliate marketer. Hopefully you found that compelling because you joined me and here you are watching this video. However, thousands of people on my list did not find that offer compelling because they didn't join. And that's okay, because I didn't design this offer to appeal to everyone. No offer appeals to everyone. If you think that your offer is so good that everyone will love it, then you're going to be disappointed. Most offers that are created to have a wide appeal are not very compelling. What makes an offer compelling is that it feels very personal to the people that it is targeted towards. I use an example in most of my training that makes this idea easier to understand. Imagine you have a special program that will help people lose 10 pounds quickly. You could try to promote it to everyone with an offer like lose 10 pounds in 10 days. Well, first of all, not everyone wants to lose 10 pounds, so it won't be compelling for them. Second, your offer will sound like every other generic weight loss offer out there. You're going to be competing with Weight Watchers and Nutrisystem and LA Fitness and every possible solution that someone could use to lose 10 pounds. Your offer is going to be lost in the sea of generic offers. However, what if you took the same program and targeted the offers to very specific niches in the market? You could target soon-to-be brides who want to look great in their wedding dress. Your ad could have a picture of a bride struggling to pull up the zipper on the dress with a headline like, "Don't let your wedding be ruined." Now, if you weren't a soon-to-be bride who wants to look great in their wedding dress, then the ad would probably not even catch your eye. However, if you're in the target audience for that ad, you're going to look at it and scream, "That's for me." You took a generic program and made it compelling by targeting it to a specific group and making it personal to them. Of course, you can sell the same program to other specific groups by creating offers that are personal and compelling to them. The same product can have multiple offers. I'm not concerned that most of the people on my list didn't join the challenge because I'm also making other offers to them that they might be interested in. I'm talking about new things and offers practically every day. Every time I make an offer, some of my audience joins it. Over time, I'm going to have something for everyone, and many people will take me up on multiple offers. That's the other key to picking or creating a successful and compelling offer. You need more than one. Many people starting out in online or network marketing think that they just need one good program and to try to get as many people as possible to join that one program. A good affiliate marketer knows better. If you want success, you need multiple offers to make to people. You need to be constantly switching up the offers because the audience is going to get bored if you just keep trying to get them to join the same thing over and over and over again. This also applies to your lead capture pages you're going to use to build your list. When you first come out with a new lead capture offer, it might convert very well. However, if you keep advertising in the same places, as time goes along, the conversions will drop because you will have gotten all the easy signups that found your offer very compelling. When the conversions drop, that's the signal to create a new offer to keep turning your traffic into email subscribers. I call this the concept of the low-hanging fruit. When you start promoting something that's new and the market's not seen it before, then the signups are easy. It's like being the first person to pick the apples in an orchard full of trees. There is a lot of low-hanging fruit that you can reach while you're still standing with both feet on the ground. You don't need a ladder to reach the apples because they're right there and easy to pick. However, as you continue to pick the apples, you run out of fruit that you can pick from the ground. Then you have to decide, are you going to get a ladder or are you going to go find a new orchard? It's the same with your offers. Once you've gotten the low-hanging fruit of people who found your offer very compelling, you have to make the decision whether you're going to start trying to convince people who had originally passed on the offer, or are you going to find a way to get your offer in front of new people who haven't seen it before? This is why I do 2 launch events every month. In fact, this month we're doing 4. A new launch event every Monday. Promoting a new launch or special relaunch offer is like entering an orchard full of low-hanging fruit. We just come out with a new program and no one belongs to it yet. There's lots of people who will join right away, so we usually have our best conversions in the first 48 hours of the launch. After that, it starts to take more and more traffic to get every new member, because many of the people in our market have already seen the offer and either joined or decided they weren't interested. The dropping conversions is a signal to me to tell me to change the offer. Sometimes we keep promoting the same site, but we change the bonuses, give people a better bonus for signing up, and the conversions go up again. However, that offer then starts to get old, and then the conversions drop again. We can change the bonus or come up with a new angle. However, eventually we just have to try promoting something else. All the low-hanging fruit have been picked, and it's not profitable to send traffic to an offer that doesn't convert well. We're going to cover more of the topics of offers and conversions in the future videos of this challenge. It is very, very important for you to master. Today, we learned that the key to getting people to take action is to make a big promise that's going to help people achieve their goals or solve their problems. Then make the action that you want them to take as easy as possible for them to complete. To make a compelling offer, it needs to appeal to a very specific group of people that you're targeting. When they see the promise, they should think, that's for me. The benefit that they're going to get needs to be so good that it's worth much more than whatever you're asking for them in return. However, even when you have a compelling offer that converts well, you need to realize it's not going to appeal to everyone. So you need multiple compelling offers so that you can switch between them to keep conversions high. Trying to get everyone to buy the same product with the same promise is not realistic because each prospect is different and responds in different ways. Ultimately, remember that marketing is just applied human psychology. You're identifying what people want deep down and then finding products that can give them what they want. If you make the right offer, they'll sign up and buy. So thanks for watching today's session. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 4.